to improve and for sure, get our first trophy in the Premiership division, to the club. Like I said before, we want to write our names in the history books of the club. So this would be an opportunity for us, to make sure that we go ahead and give that to the club.
So do you think we've got enough team, Indian team to really go?
Yeah, no doubt. I think depth is there. If you look at the talent that we've been bringing in on board as a club, like I said, kudos to management, the coaches, for identifying the players that we have brought through to the club. They are going to improve and solidify what we've already had as a club, and it's good that they've already hit the ground running. The team spirit in the club is looking good, and we want to make sure that we win. And take nothing away. I think with the kind of players that we are attracting as a club, that shows growth in the institution, in School United, where we want to go. And also, I think it brings in pressure. But what can we say? Pressure is privilege. Once you know that pressure is within, then it means opportunities are at the horizon. So slowly but surely, we want to also get those opportunities and make sure that we win.
What would you like to see from the fans as we travel to potentially Germany?
Yeah, we are attracting fans, nationwide, not only in Polokwane. If you look at us, every time we travel away, when we land at the airports, our fans are always there to support us and welcome us into a city that we go to play at. So we'd love to see our fans come in numbers to support us on the day when the dates and venues and times that have been confirmed. So we'd love to see our fans come through in numbers to support us. We promise to leave our sweat, blood and tears in the field and make sure that we put our best foot forward.
Just lastly, there's been a lot of innovations in this year's what would you like to add to the fans when to hold, maybe ask them to hold, remind them, what they must do to remain?
Yeah, I think with this tournament, it's no doubt it's for the fans. Even for us as players, but the innovations around it, caters a lot to the fans. They make the decisions, they vote for the man of the match. At the end of the tournament, they get to vote for the team that's going to play against the winners. So yeah, we hope that when that time comes, when they have to vote against for a team that's going to play against the winners, that we'll be the ones having lifted the trophy. So this is, I think, a nice innovation for the fans. It's a tournament for them. So they just need to be there, look out for all the competitions that are put through by the Carling Cup. And yeah, and just engage and be active within the tournament.
I know this is now looking forward to the 21st of December. The final is in Orlando. How exciting is that? And that's our last question.
Yeah, it's exciting. I think it's in 2 months' time. That's when the match will be played. And Orlando is my background. I come from Orlando. And it would be nice to play in front of my community where I come from. So if we get that opportunity to win it and get to play the exhibition match, that would be, I think, a plus for Linda Mtambo personally. And a lot of other gents within the club, who hail from Soweto. I think we've got young boys within our DDC team that come from Soweto. So that would be an added advantage because we play most of our home games in Polokwane. So having to come back in Ekas, where I come from, that would be nice.
Thank you so much, Linda.